y'all, they gonna be like, hey Red, what's your name? All the hoes gonna be like, oh, them cute. They might not even come to me like that. They might be on some looking, and I might catch their ass like, oh, your hair cute. Who did it? Who did it? Bitch, the Hollywood way. Me? Fuck you talking about? Thank y'all for tuning in. This is shehollywooodtv. For those who don't know me, this is your first time, you know, on my channel. I am Jah-zay, okay? Jah-zay, owner of the Hollywood Way. Y'all go ahead and follow my Instagram. My personal is shehollywooodtv, and this is shehollywooodtv. Like this video right now. You ain't doing nothing else. Like, don't be a hater. Like this video. Help me get my subscribers up. Like, you see a bitch is struggling. Before I get into the video, I'm gonna just tell y'all a couple of things that you should know. Pros, cons, products. But yeah, let's get to how what made me want to try this style out. To be honest, if you don't know, I am a hairstylist. I'm a braider. But yeah, I've been rocking multiple lock styles. Goddess locks. Like, I've had burgundy. I've had blonde. Black. I did wear black. And I did all those styles manually. Okay? Like the manual way. Like, bro, it takes time for these, okay? So that's what really made me get into it. Also, we've been quarantined. Like, I have nothing but time. So yeah, let's get into the products. Everything you're gonna need to achieve this style. So you're gonna need a rat tooth comb, clips, shiny gem, scissors, nail glue, or you can use a lighter or Got2B Glue Spray. I did 7 packs of BobbiBoss NuLocs. I did 3 18-inch, then I did 3 14-inch, and I did 1 pack of a blonde Plat 613 goddess. I used a pack of that, and then I got 2 packs of Marley hair, Femi, I think it's by Femi, and then I did 2 packs of passion twist. Next, I guess we can get into me prepping my real hair. Before I started, I went ahead and shampooed my hair. I conditioned it. I did a protein treatment, the rice water treatment. I've been doing that to grow my hair out. Rinsed it out, blew my hair out, and I just plaited my hair. And that was just the prepping my real hair part. And that was that night. The next day, that's when I started the installment. Let's talk about the pros. They're real light. Wait for it to be the length that it is. They're real lightweight. Then another benefit, you get the ratchet bald head whole shit length that you want. Like, bro, who don't want this shit that long? So you get the length. Only take half the time that you would be doing if you was to manually wrap this length. Like, hairstylists, they is not finna doing this long. And if you do, like, bro, they're taxing. I'm charging at least 4. At least 4. I mean, hair included. So that is a benefit to this style, that it's cost friendly. I think the hair by itself probably came up to $75. Yeah, it looks cute, but what they don't tell you about long hair, I guess I can jump into the cons now, is that when you're in the shower, it's annoying. Like, bro. Also, using the bathroom, your hairs likely can't touch the toilet. Like, all kind of stuff. If you bend over, like I seen the girl tweet talking about her hair got in her baby's diaper. Like, the soreness, as you can see, this is probably 2 days. 2 days fresh, and you can clearly see my parts. It's fresh, like it's tight. Sleeping the first week, it's gonna be uncomfortable. Sleeping, when I sleep, y'all, I have to put all of the hair on the side. I mean, I do have a jumbo bonnet now, so it's huge. I recommend this. Okay, it's huge. They're real skinny. So make sure when you doing this down, you doing the plaiting part with the when you just plait your real hair, to do a lot of parts. At least your front. The front part of your head is small. A lot of people complain how it's tangly, but it's not bad. If y'all want to, you feel me, see how I achieve this look, y'all stay tuned. Yeah, I will get you a blunt. I get you a drink and some music, cause it's gonna be some. It took me total, this style took me 3 days, and I was just BSing, you feel me? I wasn't all day doing it. I was taking my time, you feel me? 3 days. And I know y'all wondering, damn bitch, her lashes going crazy. Y'all go follow Lex up next to get y'all lash desires, inquiries, all that. She got multiple, what do you call them? Styles? I don't know, but yeah, these fire though. Shout out to you. But yeah, let's get into these locks. Period. Don't play with me. Okay, first things first. You're gonna start off with your hair plaited. I went ahead and put my hair in quadrants of 4 to make it easier for me. I went ahead and also oiled my scalp. I believe, I think it's called Wild Growth. I use Wild Growth. Yeah, so let's get into it. We're gonna start by crocheting each lock into each braid. Each lock should have a loop on one end and the ending part on the other end. Okay. And first of all, you're gonna slide the needle through the braid. Slide the loop onto the hook of the needle. You're gonna close the needle with the latch and just pull it back through. After you pull it back through, you're gonna open the loop up wide and pull the braid through the loop. Okay? Let me show y'all again. You're gonna take the needle, stick it through the braid. You're gonna hook the loop onto the hook of the needle. Close the latch. Slide it back through. You're gonna open up the loop and just pull the braid back through. And basically that's what I'm gonna go ahead and just do throughout the rest of the braids. Okay. If you loving this video so far, go ahead and hit that like button for me. Okay. And if you aren't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because I'm gonna drop plenty of more videos. Whatever y'all want, I got it. So yeah, I finished installing all the locks in this one quadrant. That's what it should look like when you're done. I went ahead and got the passion twist because now it's time to wrap it. We've installed each lock. Now we're gonna wrap each lock at the root to hide the braid. Okay, that's the point of the Marley hair or the passion twist hair. We haven't got to the extending part yet. We're just wrapping your hair and the lock hair, and you'll see. I don't have the detail part of how I wrap the hair, but just make sure when you do start wrapping, you wrap at least 3 to 4 times at the top to secure it. And when you get to the end, you're gonna go ahead and use that glue. There are substitutes for the nail glue. You can use the Got2B Glue Spray or a lighter. I will use all 3 methods in this video, but to be honest, I like the Got2B Glue Spray better. It was just quicker for me because the other 2 methods, it took time. But yeah, I'm just showing y'all how to secure the end. So now let's get into the extendo part. So you're going to comb out the end of the lock. Take the loop of the new lock and slide it through the 2 legs of the lock. You're gonna knot it twice. And then once you have those two legs, you're gonna wrap one upwards and secure it with the glue, and then you're gonna take the other end and just do the same thing. Wrap it down and secure it with the glue. And that's what it should look like. And I tell y'all, this style was so tedious. Okay, so I finished that one quadrant and just wanted to show y'all what it looked like. But to be honest, I ended up switching the method for the rest of the plaits. I went ahead and just prepped basically each lock. I extended them, just knotted them twice, and I didn't wrap the two legs till after I installed the locks in my hair. As you can see right now, I'm wrapping up and down, securing with a lighter. And I just feel like this was a quicker, easier method for me because the other way took too long. So now that we got the annoying part out the way and extended all the locks, all we gotta do is wrap the rest of the hair with the Marley hair. Finish them. But yes, that's it. We through. I'm going crazy. Go crazy. Go crazy, Jah. Do this. Like, what? Don't play with her. Don't play with her. Don't play with her. Yes. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all soft locks come out just as fire as mine. Okay. Y'all stay tuned for my next video.